What does a former CIA officer get for Father's Day? I'm going to show you right now. My name is Jason Hanson. I'm a former CIA officer, and I'm a New York Times bestselling author of Spy Secrets That Can Save Your Life. So, for Father's Day, which just took place, I got 7 gifts. Now, every time my wife asks me, what do you want? I say, I don't need anything. I've got everything. Just give me like a card or whatever. I have 7 kids. She gets me 7 different cards from each kid. Now, I'm very cheap on certain things in life. I'll spend a fortune on guns and knives and survival gear, but cards these days are like $6 a card. So she told me she got 7 cards. My kids are still young. I had kids after I left the CIA, so I told her just give me 1 card next year with all the kids signing. But here are the gifts that I got for Father's Day. No random order. We will pull as that tips over. Let me bend over and pick that up. We'll get to that in a minute. I got a magazine. I like to read. I love magazines. This is a magazine I've never heard of. It is called True West. But I love the Old West. I love cowboys. I mean, what red-blooded American male does not love the Old West and cowboys? So I got the True West magazine. That was one of the gifts. I also got another magazine, AR-15 rifle magazine for guns and ammo. I own a lot of rifles. I love rifles. If you want the world's best rifle, go to spyrifle.com. But yes, this is a magazine which I've not read yet, but I'm going to look forward to reading because I love guns and rifles. Number 3, what the heck is this thing? Well, I've got 7 kids, like I said, and they love playing chasing outside, hide and seek or whatever. I sweat like crazy. I'm sweating right now. I'm one of those people that always has a high body temperature. And so we'll be playing outside forever. And my 4-year-old son, I'll be like, all right, buddy, we've been playing outside for an hour or 2 hours. Or I'm going in. He's like, I'm hot. I'm going in. We've played like a gazillion rounds of chasing is what we call it. So for Father's Day, he got me the Frog Togs, the original chili pad cooling towel. Here it is. I'm supposedly supposed to wash it before I use it, but he got this and he told me, now we can play chasing forever. We never have to stop because I'll be able to put this towel around my neck and cool down. Which in a survival situation, not a bad idea to have something like this to put around your neck. What else? I got this strikeable fire starter. I had not seen these before, but one of my sons got me this. And what it is, let me see how many are in here. It is 8 matches, giant matches. And I think I read on the back that each match will last for 7 minutes. So this is pretty cool. I'm all about fire starters. You should have multiple fire starters for your kit, meaning I've got a Bic lighter, I've got the Swedish Fire Still, I've got matches that are the waterproof and windproof matches, I've got one of those fire ropes, I have dryer lint, and now I have these. So you should always have backups to the backups to the backups. Multiple fire starters for your bug out bag. So I like that little gift. Next, not survival food, but I will be eating it in the end of the world before it goes bad. I'm a big Snickers fan. I love Snickers. So one of my kids got me some Snickers, and I can't believe I haven't eaten these yet. Probably because I said I was going to record this video for you. Number 5, my back itches a lot. I like back scratchers. I have probably gone through 1 million back scratchers because my kids always break my back scratchers. And yes, you can fly with these. So what is a back scratcher good for besides scratching your back? Well, obviously you could whack somebody, you could strike somebody, he's going to kill them, no. But if I'm coming at you to whack like this, you're going to protect yourself, and then I can move in, then I can go into hand-to-hand stuff. So back scratcher, besides scratching the old back, these will probably be broken next week thanks to my kids, they can be used as a self-defense item. And yes, I have flown with these many places, all over. And the smaller you put it, man, that would not feel good to have a whack to the face. So consider a back scratcher for a self-defense item that you can easily hide in plain sight. And the last one is my wife got me a book called Wealth, Is It Worth It? Well, I don't have any wealth, so I wouldn't know. It's by S. Truett Cathy. He was the founder of Chick-fil-A. I do enjoy reading books by like John D. Rockefeller and, industry titans. So Elon Musk's book, Steve Jobs' book. I like reading autobiographies of very successful businessmen. So she got me this book and I'm going to read it. So those are the 7 gifts I got for Father's Day. Hopefully you had a good Father's Day. And remember, anything can be a self-defense item. If you have never rolled up a magazine and taken a magazine to the side of the head or the face, doesn't feel good, ask me how I know. Of course, you can hold it this way and you can jab. And again, it's not going to kill somebody. But what are they going to do? They're going to cover themselves. You can go in and do more moves like a headbutt. You can knee them. You can do other things. So even if you only have a magazine on an airplane, still not going to feel good if you start beating on somebody with it. Again, I am former CIA officer Jason Hanson. For more tips and spy skills, make sure you subscribe.